Welcome to THEA's Beauty School, and as you know, I am Althea. Okay, guys, so I've started this course and THEA's Beauty School online. So it's theasbeautyschool.online. You can now go there and choose any course of your liking. But however, let's talk about why you should choose, especially this course that we have up now that is ongoing. It's nail technology. It's free now for a limited time, so you can go there and learn the fundamental skill of becoming a nail technology from ground up. So you might be in a situation right now where you're looking a new skill to start to make some money, or to even be a vlogger in nail technician, or maybe you just want to do it to buy you some time because you like the creativity and also to style both you and your friends. You're in college and you would like to know to do your own nails, or if you want to open your own business, then the course is for you. It can help you to land one of the most successful jobs or start your new career path. But in doing this, because you already have a creative mind, it's good to get the foundation so you can put together everything and bring forth a better skill, and you will be able to function better knowing that you have the foundation and you have learned so much about it that you now can be doing the service at a professional level. We offer everything to suit your need. The course lessons are structured to suit anybody from beginners to advanced, or for just somebody who just want to refresh their mind, or if you're about to sit your yearly bacteria and sanitation, it depends on the state that you're in, infection control and the principles and practices of infection, so you will know how to offer better service to your client while protecting yourself and them. So I will tell you that this course is right for you.